Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 4a, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now to get started, we will need to power off the device by holding power key, then select power off and wait for it to shut off. And once it does, you want to hold power key and volume down. Now, this will probably be a little bit annoying considering the phone, at least for me, majority of the time accepts immediately after it boots into recovery mode. When you let go, it thinks that letting go of the power key is accepting the start, which will just reboot the device. So let's see if this will happen right now. If it will, we'll see if we can do that correctly. So hold power key, volume down, there we go. So this time it actually worked. I did try to record this before, where letting go of the power would just accept this option right here and just simply reboot the device. And there is not really any way around it, apart from just trying again. So once you see the boot mode right here, you want to use volume keys to navigate, and you want to select recovery mode. There we go, as you can see, recovery mode, and then confirm it with power key. This will now take us to recovery mode, or before that it will show up this in the Android with no command. So hold power key, press volume up, and there we go, we are now in the recovery mode. And again, using volume keys, you want to scroll down to select wipe data factory reset, confirm with power key. Again, choose factory data reset, confirm it, and this will begin, as you can see, formatting data at the bottom. It only takes about 5 seconds. There we go, data wipe complete. So let's reboot system now, so simply press power key. And this will now continue the process. Once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, we are now in Android setup screen. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.